Alright, I've got my Whirlpool washer. Got it running a pretty heavy load right now. Just want to show you that it is in excellent shape. It's very clean inside and out. Got it going on a normal high and low agitation cycle with a high spin. Plenty of options on this guy. Just want to show you that it does in fact work great. It's been through all the tests, 28-point inspection. And then of course I run a few loads through it and do these videos so that you know when you get home, plug it in, everything's going to work like it's supposed to. Sounds good. So what I'm going to do is let it run through its cycle. Comes to the final spin. Come back, let you hear it at full blast. That way you can see it's nice and level, no weird noises or anything like that. So we'll let it finish up and we'll come back for that spin cycle. Okay, and we're back on that final spin cycle. I'm gonna let it get up to full speed and then I'll open the lid, which you're not really supposed to do, but I want you to see that it is spinning nice and fast. We'll back up a little bit here and let you see the whole unit. See, it's nice, level, balanced, no weird noises or anything like that. Okay, we'll open this up. There you go, you can see it's spinning nice fast. Lid switch works. That's pretty much it there. I'm going to go ahead and let it finish spinning those clothes, all the water out of those clothes, and we'll be good to go here. Okay, and I have got the washer cleaned out. It finished up. Good to go. And the dryer now, I've got those clothes tucked away in there. This is Super Capacity Plus. So I believe it's also Super Capacity Plus. Yeah, on the washer and dryer, so they match. You can do a pretty big load on the washer and in turn really good sized load on the dryer as well. So we're gonna pop that up. We'll just go time dry, hit go. Sounds great. You can see it's nice and level, smooth operation. And I've got my heat gun here. Whatever that little red dot goes on is going to give you the surface temperature. So I'm going to show you that it's heating like it's supposed to. That's where the heat comes out of that little heating element tube. So you can see plenty of heat coming out of there. In turn, heats up the inside of the dryer there. Taking a picture. And essentially the inside of the dryer will get anywhere from 100 to 195 degrees, but coming out of this little tube right here, the heating element is directly below it, so that can get all the way up to 300 degrees, but the inside doesn't get that hot. Anyway, so that's how that works. And also you have your automatic dry, so you can just put it on automatic and let it go, and it does it all on its own. So this is the set here. You now know that both work. Both are in excellent condition. When you get them home, plug them in, they're gonna work just right for you. So I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks.